Hello students, welcome to class with mathematics. Today we are going to solve worksheet number 3 of simplification of numerical expression. Now in worksheet 3, the first question is there, that is 1.1 plus 2.5 minus 1.5. Now in this worksheet, that is based upon the concept of decimal number. The chapter of decimal number we already done. Now in this question we have two symbols are there, one is addition, another is subtraction. So according to DMAS, which we will take first, that is addition. So we will add 1.1 plus 2.5. Well students, you know how we can add the decimal number. 1.1 plus 2.5, you add in the rough column, you will get 3.6. So equal to, when we added 1.1 plus and 2.5, we got 3.6 minus 1.5. Now you subtract 3.6, 1.5 from 3.6, 1.5 you will subtract from 3.6. So what you will get? 6 minus 5, 1 decimal, 3 minus 1, 2, 2.1. So your answer is 2.1. So dear students, it is quite easy to solve worksheet number 3. Let us have another question is there. Now I am going to take one question, that is, so C part is there, 18.9 minus 20.8 plus 3.9. Again we have two symbols are there, that is one is minus, another is plus. So what will you take do first, that is we will have to separate the decimal term. We will have to separate the minus term. Okay, so which one is the minus term? Minus 20.8, it is the minus term, right? So we will write this minus term in the end, and the plus term, positive terms, we will write first, and in the last we will write the minus term. Now after that we will add the same term, that is 8.9 plus 3.9, we will add it. You can add this term in the rough column, 18.9 3.9. So 9 plus 9 8, 18, sorry, one balance is here, 8 plus 1 9 plus 3 12, and 1 plus 1 2. So your answer is 22.8. So 22.8 minus 20.8. Now we can subtract 22.8 minus 20.8. 8 minus 8 0, then 2 0. Our answer is 2.0. Now let us take another example. I will take another example, that is part D. D part 5.3 plus 6 multiplied by 0.005 minus 2.1. So in this question we have plus sign is there, multiply, then minus. So which you will prefer first? You will, according to DMAS, we will do the multiplication. So which number multiplying each other? 6 multiplied by 0.05. So you can multiply it in the rough column. you can multiply 6 multiply by 0.05. So you can multiply the number without decimal. Okay, if you, without decimal, if you multiply that one, then we get 0. Okay, this one. Okay, I will write like this way: 5 multiplied by 6. So 6 5 are the 30, 6 0 are the 0. Now with decimal, because after decimal how many digits are there? 0.05 is there. So after decimal we have two digits are there, which okay. So your in the product you will adjust the decimal, so your answer will be 0.30. This type of this concept already we have done in the chapter of multiplication of the decimal number. So 5.3 plus, when you multiply 6, you multiply 0, you got 0.30 minus 2.1. Now after that addition is there, so add this one. So what you get now? 5.3 and you will add 0.30 like this way. And these are alike decimals, so make them like. So 0.336, your answer is 5.60 minus 2.1. If you subtract that one, 5.60 2.1, then you get 3.50. Your answer is 3.50. Let us take another example, one question more, that is E part is there. 2.5 divided by 5 multiplied by 0.4 plus 2. Now how we can solve this one? Now in this question we have division is there, multiplication is there, plus is addition is there. So according to DMAS we will do division first. So 2.5 divided by 5. So in the rough column, how we can 2.5, how we can divide 2.5 by 5? This concept already we done in division of the decimal number. Now in the table of 5, this 2 will come or not? No. Then 5 0 are the 0. Subtract it, you will get 2. After it is the turn of decimal, so put the decimal in the quotient. After that you will down the next digit. 5, you have now 25, so 5 are the 25, your remainder is 0. So when you divided 2.5 by 5, you got 0.5. So your answer is 0.5 multiplied by 0.4 plus 2. Right? Now multiplication, underline it, 0.5 multiplied by 4. So multiply 0.5 by 0.4. So do the multiplication without decimal. 5 4 are the 20. So after decimal, how many digits are there total in the multiplicand and multiply? 2. After decimal, 1 digit is there. After decimal, 1 digit is there. Total number of digits are 2. So in the product there should be 2 digits after decimal. So the answer is 0.20. So 0.20 plus 2. Now add this one. So 0.20 and you will add 2. So don't write 2 in the decimal part, because 2 is a whole number. If 2 is a whole number, you will write the whole number below the whole part. Right? It is the whole part with before decimal. Decimal से पहले क्या है ये? Whole part, and this is the decimal part. So 2.00 you will write and 2 as a 2.00. So when you add this one, your answer will be 2.20. So well students, I hope you understood the concept, and rest part of the question you will do now. Thank you and have a nice day.